Compliance and governance in VMware Cloud, PCI DSS, HIPAA, GDPR. In today's digital era, businesses operating in cloud environments must comply with strict regulatory standards to protect sensitive data, ensure security, and maintain legal compliance. VMware Cloud provides a flexible, enterprise-grade infrastructure that enables organizations to implement robust compliance and governance frameworks across multi-cloud environments. However, meeting compliance requirements such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR requires a well-defined strategy involving security controls, data governance policies, and continuous monitoring. Compliance refers to an organization's ability to meet industry-specific regulatory standards and legal obligations related to data security, privacy, and governance. VMware Cloud provides built-in security controls, encryption, identity management, and audit capabilities to help businesses adhere to global regulatory frameworks. However, organizations remain responsible for configuring security policies, monitoring data protection measures, and ensuring compliance across their cloud environments. PCI DSS compliance in VMware Cloud is required for businesses handling credit card transactions. Organizations must secure network architecture using firewalls, microsegmentation, and intrusion detection systems, encrypt cardholder data with AES-256 encryption, and enforce access control with role-based access control and multi-factor authentication. Regular security audits and real-time monitoring help businesses maintain compliance with PCI DSS requirements. HIPAA compliance is essential for healthcare organizations managing electronic protected health information. Key requirements include strong access controls, data encryption at rest and in transit, detailed audit logs, and disaster recovery strategies. VMware Cloud provides encryption, privileged access management, and compliance auditing tools to ensure HIPAA security standards are met. GDPR compliance focuses on data privacy and user rights. Organizations using VMware Cloud must implement access restrictions, ensure secure data deletion, enforce data residency policies, and automate compliance tracking. VMware Cloud security tools enable businesses to meet GDPR requirements through encryption, logging, and policy enforcement mechanisms. To maintain a secure and compliant VMware Cloud environment, businesses should leverage VMware Aria Operations for compliance monitoring, enforce multi-layered security with NSX microsegmentation and IAM policies, and conduct regular security audits. Defining clear incident response plans and training employees on compliance requirements further strengthens governance measures. Ensuring compliance and governance in VMware Cloud is critical for protecting sensitive data, maintaining regulatory adherence, and mitigating security risks. Organizations must implement encryption, access control policies, real-time monitoring, and compliance auditing to meet the strict security standards set by PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. In the next lesson, we will explore compliance and governance in VMware Cloud. Let's continue.